What we want to do to add this blade, we'd have to remove this roller feature. And basically what we do is unthread this, remove. There's a spring here. We just remove the spring, set that off to the side, and then this feature will just pop off. Now what we'll do is we'll take the blade itself, place the round hole over here. This will rotate, and this is where this adapter comes into place. You have these two little posts here that will fit in to these two square pegs here. Push this in, we'll reinstall the threaded bolt. Now this time we're going to tighten it all the way up so that it's firm, so this won't move. Now we can grab our tape and we can cut it with a serrated edge.